tomorrow. Idaho will implement an updated food code for better food safety standards, and it also expands on cottage foods. Eyewitness News reporter Taja Davis looked into this more for us today. And Taja, let's start here. What is a cottage food?
Well, Todd, cottage foods come from small-time producers like farmers markets, bake sales, and food trucks. Incorrect temperatures, under or overcooked foods, contaminated equipment, food from unsafe sources, and poor personal hygiene are unhealthy practices that lead to foodborne illnesses. On July 1st, the Idaho Food Code, or IFC, will be updated in order to prevent these.
Well, Idaho has adopted the new food code because our old food code was based on the 2003 FDA model food code. So there have been changes over the past few years, and it was time to update the code, add a few things, a few changes. Some new science has come out.
In conjunction with the IFC, Eastern Idaho Public Health can no longer allow individuals or businesses to give out food during public events without the proper permits.
Anybody serving or giving food away to the public, whether it be a promotional event at, say, a business, those people will be required to obtain a license. If it's a private event, like a family reunion or something of that nature that the general public is not allowed to, then no license is required.
Eastern Idaho Public Health encourages you to ask for their help when you want to sell or provide food to the public.
We're not necessarily the food police. We are per se, but we're there to educate and help and help people be in compliance with the rule. And anybody that wants to sell food needs to come down to the health district to clarify if they need a license or not, and we'll help them determine whether or not the rule applies to them.
The many regulations and increased needs for licensing aim to reduce your chance of getting sick through food. There are very specific exemptions to the rules being implemented. You can look at those on our website, kidk.com. In the studio tonight, I'm Taja Davis.
Thank you, Taja. Eastern Idaho Public Health's job is to minimize the risk of food illness as much as possible. Again, the newly implemented food code takes effect tomorrow, July